Hey, it's Thomas from MCS Products. Are you a pest control company? Possibly a landscaper? You really ought to check out our kits that we have available. We've got these awesome mosquito control system kits that eliminate 80 to 90% of all insects. We've also got these high pressure mist cooling systems, either with mist lines or misting fans that you can offer to your clients. These things are a total game changer. The kits come with everything that you need. We've got instructions, we've got videos. It all gets boxed up in a day or so and sent directly to you. We've even got dealer discounts. This is our ice cube, so it's a small residential kit. It'll power up to about two 18-inch misting fans or a total of about 40 foot of high pressure misting lines. These kits are awesome. They don't take a lot of power, they're super easy to install and super profitable for you, and your customers are gonna love you for them. Everyone's looking for a solution for mosquito control. Forget the backpack sprays. Those things don't work. The results start to diminish as soon as the technician leaves your property. They're worthless. The only permanent solution for insect control is a misting system. We've got these awesome kits. It's got everything inside that you need. It's got the system, it's got the tubing, the nozzles, the parts, the pieces, the fittings, and even the insecticide. You can install it in less than 4 hours. Super profitable, and then the most beautiful thing about the systems is the residual nature of the income. After you install it, you have to go back and refill the system. Tons of profit in that. The best systems, the best kits, technically, the best high pressure cooling systems, the best mosquito systems. Oh, and guess what? We also have heaters for outdoor patios, electric and gas. We've also got all the outdoor kitchen stuff that you can imagine, all the major brands. And we got deals and discounts for our dealers. Check out our website, give us a call if you don't see what you're looking for, mcs-products.com.